Hi JVN Gaurav Goyal. Today we are going to discuss about the orthopentogram session OPG. Okay, course name is Equipment Model Imaging Modality Second BSc FOSM. Let we discuss about the orthopentogram. Orthopentogram introduction. OPG equipments provides the mean to obtain panoramic tomography of jaws and face. That means all teeth together with mandible and maxilla are seen on a single film. It is the simplest way to obtain complete mouth with single film principle. The OPG equipment work on the principle upon simultaneous rotation movement of the X-ray tube, and the cassette carries in opposite direction. At the time of exposure, that system complete one round around the patient. After patient positioning, we made a exposure. The film is exposed two times, first one half and then another one half. With the exposure, the X-ray rotate and exposed the first half cassette of film and the other half cassette inside covered with lead plate. When X-ray tube start next half round, the exposed part of cassette covered by lead plate and the unexposed part become exposed to the X-ray. Thus, the full cassette is exposed. Application of OPG. In this way, the complete film is exposed two times with a single exposure. The exposure time is long, approximate 15 seconds. Applications. This is useful in detect a fracture in teeth or mandible maxilla. Second is generalized pathological condition like cyst, tumor, and osteodystrophy. Cyst means fluid-filled cavity like structure. uh, okay. Next is unerupted teeth or impacted teeth means teeth is not grown properly. Next is retained tooth root. Next is it is used to demonstrate TM joint, temporomandibular joint, maxillary intra, etc. So these you can see the image. It shows the implants. Okay, full view of the OPG. Thank you. The session is over. The session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jayat Vidya Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.